Well, hello folks. I was about to knock on the door, but I don't need to. That sewer is backed up. We're gonna use the sectional machine today. Have a little fun with that. And let's get that clean out cap off first. What do you say? I love jobs like this where I can park right frickin' there and yeah, it just makes it so much easier. Oh yeah, tasteful. Yeah. Oh, the cap's already off. All right. Poopy water for the win. All right, let's do it. There it goes. That is the most satisfying. All right, we got it. About 30 feet in. Just putting this back, snake oil in it, and then we'll camera it and see what the heck's going on down there. It's a good one. Little TP. Okay, so my colleague right there at the bottom, shooting us. Where do we go? Okay, can you see my shoulder? Yes, number one. Yeah, that's fine. So you have a, it's a chimney. Just a slight chimney there. It just drops down. So now, oh, there's your issue right there. See it?
Is that a tree root?
Yeah. But man, so you have a chimney and then another step down chimney. Or wait, no. No, that's just a yeah, that's your issue right there.
Whatever that is.
That's toilet paper and tree roots. Oh yeah, look at all those roots. You know what? The fact he hydrojetted it, I can see why he might have decided to hydrojet versus
just because of the way the angles and the way it
exactly
drops.
And it's all in this little area right here.
Yeah,
I can probably get that out with my chains though, because this is only 14 feet in, so
okay. We just don't know if there's anything. We're 14 feet, so.
Well, I'm gonna go a little further here. Yeah, it's clay. It looks like it's 6-inch. Yeah, you look clear past that. Yeah, you're clear as a frickin' whistle, whatever that means.
Yeah. Message received. That's good to hear.
But let me keep going here. Nope, sorry, got your hopes up. there's another root intrusion right here. It's holding water. And as I push forward, see how you can't see anything anymore?
Because it's into the obstruction.
Well, it's holding water. But do you see the roots right there?
Yes.
I think that's probably your issue, because remember how I said I had 2 sections of that in, which that makes that about 30 feet. It's at 27 feet.
So we're almost at the main.
So I think that was your issue right there. But of course, I can't see shit. It pisses me off when I can't see. Oh yeah, see, that's pretty bad. All right, let's I'll pull this back.
Okay.
And now that the water's out, I'll stick the chains in there and I'll try to get all that out of there. This looks like 6-inch clay. So we'll start it. Pull it up to that little chimney right here, and then we'll start it from there. Okay, we got the chains. We are ready to rock and roll. So there we are at the top of the chimney. There we go. It's in there. Let's just get that camera. Pull that back. All right, we're experiencing a little hang up here because this goes combi this way, then it 90s down, and then let me show you. I just put on the 6-inch chains. I think why the 4-inch chains wouldn't work is because it's a 6-inch pipe. But it's really a tough spot, and normally I wouldn't hydrojet roots, but this might actually be perfect for roots. All right, hang on, let me show you. Okay, so it's a chimney, it drops down, and then it 90s at the bottom, and then it's right, the issue is right there. And it's just, and then it has like a 45, then it 45s down one more time. And that's why it's so difficult to get those. So let's see if these 6 inches work. Oh, I pushed those much further. Okay. Yeah, that's a 6-inch pipe because it wouldn't spin so easily. So I think I might be able to get it with the 6-inch chains. Let's see. Okay. We got some roots on this last. I sent the chains as far as I could, and then I flushed out the sewer with that, and it's just so mucky. The camera kept getting blocked. I couldn't see anything. It's holding water, and I could not get it with the chains. This is a prime example of when you need a hydrojetter. There's literally no other option than a hydrojetter. All right, for that job, that's one of those jobs where you absolutely need a freaking jetter, dude. So I'm coming back, or my guy Greg has a trailer jetter, and I gotta be honest, I won't get paid if Greg does it, but I think it's better to use that trailer jetter, because that guy has the way his sewer is piped, is just the chains were not going to get that. You need a warthog, a spinner nozzle to go in there and just bomb those roots out of that sewer. That's the only way you're getting that frickin' thing clear. And there's a belly in that sucker. I couldn't see anything. I was getting pissed off. I couldn't see anything with the camera. So yeah, I don't use the jetter a whole lot, and You know, some people say, oh, you can upsell the jetter. Of course you can, but this is one of those circumstances where it's not an upsell. That's the only thing that's going to clear that stinking sewer. Well, I should say get it. It's clear right now and flowing, but get it to where there's no stragglers and it's completely clear top to bottom. Okay, I'm back at the crib editing, and I just wanted to illustrate why this was so hard to get. So here's how the sewer is piped. You have his house right here, and you have the clean out in his driveway that you saw that we were at. So the clean out, that's the combi. So it goes down, then it 90s down, 90s horizontal again, and then it 45s and then goes horizontal again. And this area right here, this area is where I couldn't get the freaking chains to clear it. It was just too hard. I couldn't see anything with the camera, because you got to keep the camera back a certain distance from the chains, or it's gonna freaking destroy the camera, or get tangled up or whatever. But that's exactly what it did, probably at the end of his driveway. And you need a hydrojetter to go in there and just blast this whole area out. And then down here, you had another root intrusion right here. But that I could have got, but there's a belly about right there, and I couldn't freaking see, man. So I hope that better explains why this was such a difficult job. It's because of that circled area right there.